Hey, what is up, guys? This is Kevin back in with a quick new video. This is going to be a very short video. This is day 2 of the Toyota Celica. And what I did this morning, instead of going and buying a mass airflow sensor, what I did was took this one off and got some cleaner for it and cleaned it. And let it sit for a few minutes and did all that good stuff. And as you can see, this car is running. Now, I did take it for a good test drive. And as you can see, the temperature is up to temperature. But what I gotta say about this car, it runs incredible. The transmission shifts perfect. It feels like it has a brand new clutch in it. The AC works, aftermarket stereo, all that good stuff. And as of right now, like I said, $300 for the car, and I spent like $7 on the spray fluid. Runs good. It might need a little bit more work. I'm not sure, because check engine light is still on. So it might actually need a idle air temperature sensor, but I'm not sure yet. I'll check that out tomorrow. But this is, like I said, one of the cleanest, best cars that I've bought in probably 10-11 months. I mean, everything works on it. Both the windows work, the sunroof works, the engine is super clean, no leaks or anything like that. Man, I really can't believe this. So I'm gonna drive it a little bit more tomorrow, and then check engine light, or check the codes on it, make sure there's nothing else wrong with it, and then post it up for sale. But I might change the oil. The oil looked a little bit dark, and it has a sticker up here that says it's about time for an oil change, so I might go ahead and do that. But the fact that I got it running, there's no ticks, there's no knocks, there's no grinds, there's no nothing. Everything works in it. You can't get any better than this for $307. So I'll do that tomorrow. Probably make another video after I get it cleaned up, make sure everything else is good. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.